Hello students, welcome to RoboGuru online programming tutorial. Today in this video, I will guide you about RoboGuru coding challenge. It's an intra-Narayana competition and it's a national level competition. In this video, I will tell you about what competition is, how you can prepare and how you can participate in it. Let's see. So the process to participate in RCC 2020 is, first you have to fill the competition registration form. The link is available here. If you want to fill this form, you have to go to the RoboGuru course content drive, Google Drive. So if you open the course content Google Drive, you can see that there is a junior program, senior program, which we used to open for submitting our worksheets and for accessing previous class details. So here one more folder has been added. It's called RoboGuru competition. If you open this folder, you will see that there are further two folders and a PPT. This PPT is the same PPT which I am using. You can get the links from here as well. Or if you want to submit the registration form, you should open this forms folder. In order to submit your registration, you should open this forms folder. Inside this, you will see a registration form. This registration form you have to fill for registering yourself for the competition. Here, inside this form, you have to enter all of your details. After that, your registration will be completed. After registration, you should watch the videos which are given on the Robox Learning channel. For the competition, it's important that you watch all the videos which are given in the Robox Learning channel to prepare for the competition. Purchase RoboGuru premium version and start practicing on Custom Arena. Since Custom Arena is a part of RoboGuru premium version and this competition is also designed on Custom Arena, it's important that a student who wants to participate, he or she should purchase RoboGuru premium version. As we have already informed you, in order to purchase RoboGuru premium version, you should contact your school. Again, you must be having a lot of doubts related to preparing for the competition, or it could be doubts related to downloading, installing RoboGuru, and there could be doubts related to, there could be some technical doubts also. So how you can solve that doubts is, you should go to website of RoboGuru. You should go to www.roboguru.net. When you open www.roboguru.net, here in the bottom right corner, again, when you open www.roboguru.net, in the bottom right corner, you can see this red colored messaging icon. When you click on this messaging icon, you will see that you can submit your doubts here. So how you can submit your doubts? You have to write your name here, your correct email ID here. It's important that you write a correct email ID and your message. Your message can be related to anything. It can be related to download, install. It can be related to some technical doubts that you're not able to move the robot, you're not able to install RoboGuru, you're not able to download RoboGuru. Your doubts can be submitted like this, and within one day you will get a reply on the same email address. It's important that you enter an email address which is correct, which is a correct email address. After you have Custom Arena on your RoboGuru, you have to add the task for junior or senior on Custom Arena. Let's see how we can add the task or the problem statement on our Custom Arena. So in order to add the task on Custom Arena, you need to go back to the RoboGuru competition folder. Here you will see a folder called Custom Arena. Open this folder. Inside this folder, you will see two files, junior and senior, junior competition and senior competition. So whatever, if you are a junior, from grade 4, 5 or 6, you should download this junior competition file. If you are a senior, you should download senior competition file. So right now I'm going to download both of them. I will right click and click download. So these two files will be downloaded in my download folder. Let's see how we can open these files on Custom Arena. So first of all, we should open this RoboGuru and go to Custom Arena. Again, the Custom Arena will only work if you are having a RoboGuru premium version. Here is the RoboGuru Custom Arena. Inside this Custom Arena, we should first go to this save option. It's important to save a custom arena first. Save any custom arena. You can save it as a blank arena also. I will be saving it as a blank arena. You can add things inside this arena or you can save it as it is. I am saving it as a blank arena. Okay. Since I have saved this blank arena will appear in my RoboGuru folder. Let's see how we can open this RoboGuru folder. We should go to my computer. While downloading and installing RoboGuru, I didn't made any changes in the installation folder of RoboGuru. If you are not able to find this RoboGuru folder in your C drive, then you must have saved it somewhere else. You must have installed it somewhere else. Please open that folder and there you can find this RoboGuru folder. You should open this RoboGuru folder. Then you will find this Robo folder. Open this Robo folder. Inside this you will see Robo user data. Open this Robo user data folder. Then click on this default user data. Here you will see a folder called RoboGuru Custom Arenas. You will not be able to see this folder if you have not saved any custom arena. That's why in the starting I have told you to save a blank arena so that this folder can appear here. Okay. So if you open this folder, right now since I have already created these folders, these files, okay, it's available here. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to copy the downloaded files here. Okay. It must have downloaded in your download folder. Right now it's in zip file. I will copy these two files and paste it in the same folder, same RoboGuru folder. Okay, here. Since it's already there for me, you have to paste it here by clicking right clicking and clicking on paste. Since I have already these two files here, I don't have to change anything. Now if I go back to RoboGuru and go to this open option. If I click on this open option, you will see junior competition and senior competition both. So now if I open this junior competition, click on junior competition and click open. Let's see what is the task for junior competition. In order to complete the task for junior competition, what you have to do is, this is the starting position of the robot. This is from where your robot should start. You should program the robot that it should first move forward, then turn left. I am doing this with my keyboard, but it's important that you do this using your program. Then it should again move forward, then again turn right and again start moving forward. Again take a right and start moving forward. Then again take a right turn, move forward and again take a left turn. And at last you have to get inside this black line. So a student can be considered a winner if he is able to complete this entire task in the minimum amount of time. So it's important that you do this as fast as possible. So you can see that there are some black lines here around the arena. These black lines are some points. So whenever your robot crosses these points, you will gain, whenever your robot crosses these lines, you will gain some points. Okay, these points will also be helpful in calculating your score. At last, we will consider someone if there are more students with the same score, someone with the minimum amount of time completing this task will be considered as the winner. You have to write the code to solve this entire task. This is just a dummy code, but you have to write a code which will solve this entire task. Again, coming back to the senior task. In order to open the senior task, you should again click on this open and click on this senior competition. Senior competition should be done by only 7th, 8th and 9th grade students. So this is the starting point, and here there are two zones. One is the garbage zone and other is the bin, the garbage bin. Your robot should move inside this arena so that it should push all these garbages. These balls will be considered as garbages. Okay, your robot should move inside this arena so that it should push all the garbages to the bin area like this. Okay, you should program your robot that it should first move forward, go to this first line, push the first garbage, then go back, push the second garbage, then go back, push the third, fourth and fifth. So someone will be considered a winner if they are able to push all the garbages in the minimum amount of time. So time is also an important factor here. So this is the task for senior competition. After this, after adding this task and completing this task, what you have to do is you have to try solving the task in minimum amount of time. Okay, junior students will solve the junior task, senior students will solve the senior task. After completing these tasks, you have to submit the code for solving the problem statement on Google Form. In the same drive, you will find the code submission form also. With the registration form, you will find the code submission form also. You should go there and submit your code. One more important task is you need to record a video of robot completing the task where you should also explain about how you have completed this task. Okay, details of how to submit this video will be explained later in another video. Just wait for it. So the prizes for the competition are: top student from senior and junior batch will be provided with Roblox kit. As you already know, Roblox kit DIY kit, it's the price of each kit is 14,500 rupees per kit with excellence certificates. All these things you will get. If you want to understand what is a Roblox kit, if you still don't know what is a Roblox kit, you can click on this link and open it. So the top 20 students will be provided with RoboGuru coding badge also. Also, all students who are participating will get a RoboGuru participation certificate. Top 100 students will get Roblox coupons. And top 50 students will be provided the opportunity to publish a blog on our STEM portal. And again, at last, Best Video Award is also available. Best Video Award is also again a Roblox kit. So someone who is submitting a very good video will also be awarded with a Roblox kit. Looking at the important dates, the competition is launched on 2nd of December. The last date for registration of competition is 20th December 2020. So you have a lot of time for the registration also. Last date for the submission of code is 1st January 2020. It should be 2021. So last date for the submission of code is 1st January. You still have almost a month. You can submit your code. You can take as much time as you want, prepare it, and you should practice that your robot should be taking minimum amount of time. and last date for the submission of video is 4th January. Again, after this, if you are having any other doubts, you can contact support@roboguru.net, or you can go to the website of RoboGuru. You can go to www.roboguru.net, and here click on this messaging app and submit your doubts. Thank you.